Ever had that one employee who's the only person who knows how something gets done? Like if they go on vacation or quit, the whole operation grinds to a halt. That's what happens when your company runs on memory instead of systems. And the fix? It's 3 letters, SOP. Because without SOPs, every task turns into a guessing game. But once you've got them, your business starts running like a machine. Predictable, efficient, and scalable. In this video, I'll break down what an SOP actually is in plain English, why every growing company needs them, and how to build SOPs that your team actually follows without drowning in documentation. Let's dive in. Imagine you're baking a cake. You've got the ingredients, you've got the oven, but unless you've got the recipe, you're winging it. An SOP is that recipe. It's the step-by-step guide that tells your team exactly how to do something the right way every single time. SOP stands for Standard Operating Procedure. And the important words here are standard and operating. Standard means it's done the same way no matter who's doing it. Operating means it's something that actually happens inside your business. People mix up SOPs with other things, so here's how to keep it straight. A policy is the rule, like wash your hands before baking. A process is the whole flow, like bake a cake from start to finish. An SOP is the specific how-to, like mix the batter. SOPs take big, messy workflows and transform them into simple, repeatable steps anyone can follow. Let's be real, many fast-growing companies hit the same wall. At first, it's just you and a few people. Everyone's figuring things out on the fly. But then you start hiring. And suddenly, you're answering the same questions over and over. How do we onboard a client? What's the password for this system? Who handles this step? Without SOPs, everything depends on what's in people's heads, and that's chaos. But with SOPs, you get consistency, and your team doesn't have to guess. Work happens the same way every time, even when you're not around. That's how you go from being the bottleneck to building a business that runs itself. And the best part? Your employees actually feel confident doing their jobs because they know exactly what done right looks like. That's the magic of having a single source of expectations inside your business. But people still try to fix the problem the wrong way. They start a Google Doc, or a spreadsheet, or a massive binder no one ever opens. They document some things, then they forget about it. And a month later, total chaos again. It's not that SOPs don't work, it's the way that people build them doesn't work. Because if it's clunky, slow, or hidden somewhere no one can find, it's dead on arrival. Let's talk about the mental friction. I don't know where to start. This will take forever. My team won't use it anyways. That's the real reason SOPs fail. It's not about the documentation, it's about adoption. But what if you had a system that made creating, organizing, and actually using SOPs simple? That's where SweetProcess comes in. SweetProcess makes documenting your procedures as easy as typing what's already in your head. It's built so that anyone, whether a CEO, manager, or new hire, can create, edit, and follow SOPs without needing a single tech tutorial. You can collaborate in real time, assign tasks, and track progress. It automatically turns your procedures and policies into a searchable knowledge base, so your team can find what they need in seconds. And here's my favorite part. SweetProcess even has AI tools that help you write SOPs faster. So instead of staring at a blank page, you can start with a draft that's 80% done. No more information trapped in someone's head. No more chasing people down for how it's done. Just clarity, accountability, and smooth operations every day. If you want to stop running your business from memory and start running it on systems, this is how you do it. Here's the takeaway. SOPs aren't paperwork, they're freedom. They're how you scale, delegate, and finally stop being the bottleneck in your own business. And the best part, With SweetProcess, you only pay for active users. That means you're not wasting money on seats no one's using. You can add your entire team, get everyone on board, and only get billed for the people actually using the software. It's fair, it's simple, and it's the kind of pricing that actually respects how real businesses grow. So, if you're ready to build SOPs that actually get used without overpaying for software your team doesn't touch, start your free 14-day trial of SweetProcess today. No credit card needed. The link's in the description below. And before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video on how to document your first SOP step by step. Click the video on your screen right now to learn how to build your systems the smart way.